What's good with y'all? We checking in for another video. Y'all can see, man, I plan on driving Big Meech today. I plan on driving up the road to see what it gonna do, man. I ain't got all the front brakes and rotors and stuff on because Rick ain't come back to Monday. But everything else, man, I need to drive and see what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and the only reason I can't drive it right now is because I ain't have another lug nuts on, but I got them. I was just trying to wait to do everything, but I mean, I got the lug nuts. The car does stop. Like I said, I just wanted to change the stuff because it need to be changed. It does stop. It got brake pads, a little brake pad and stuff there, but it'll be okay to drive. It's safe to drive though. So I'm about to crank it up. I got it uncovered. About to get a cold start. Cold start for y'all. Let's see what it's gonna do. I have not, like I said, this first time cranking it today. See how this thing gonna do. Get the fuel pump first. Oh, don't want to start right up. There you go. Man, I think I'm gonna take the electric choke off too. I don't like the electric choke. I just don't. It takes too long for it to engage and completely open the choke. I don't really need it. I ain't got to have it. I mean, it's good for winter time, but like right now, I don't need that. So I'm gonna let this thing warm up, pull it forward. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it forward because I'm just putting the other adapter on and stuff. Then we're gonna take a ride later. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all listen to it. What you just said my car was doing?
It was bumping up like it went up a little bit and it came back down.
But what you called it?
Hippity hoppity.
She said my car was hippity hoppity. Cause I hit the gas a little bit, y'all made it.
But I will tell you something.
You what?
Today I won't ride my bike, but nobody don't want me to.
Go ride it.
And let me show you mine.
I'm about to put it on. I'm about to put these adapters on there, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm checking back in. Don't look like no riding gonna be done. Well, possibly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and change these rotors. I know how to do this stuff, y'all, but just choose not to do it sometimes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and change these rotors out myself. Cause man, I'm too anxious. I'm ready to ride. I'm ready to ride. But look at this. It's only one stud and it got to be changed. Like ain't nowhere around it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. It's really an easy job. Look, I ain't had no dust caps anyway. Needed dust caps and all that. I'm glad I bought that. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it. For people that don't know how to remove a rotor, I let Rick change the calipers and stuff so we can bleed them together. We'll do that. I ain't gonna put the calipers on. I could, but I'll put them on Monday. They get put on Monday. So you just remove this like you finna change your brakes. I gotta go get my brake tool, but remove that. Then you would normally have a dust cap right here. This is what protects your bearings and stuff from dirt and all that. Pop the dust cap out with a screwdriver. Take your cotter pin out. Remove your lock nut, and then the rotor will come off. Then you just take your bearings out. Well, you don't gotta take your bearings out. They're old anyway, but I'll show y'all how to put the new one on and all that, which is simple. So let me get this thing off first, and then I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Alright, I already got that one off. The first one. Like I said, it didn't take long. I gotta set the other one up. Y'all see, bearing has some good brakes on it though. Still has some good pads on it. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this thing set up and put on here. Alright, checking in. Got that one on. New dust cap. Everything snug. So now we ain't got no broken studs over here. Said I'm gonna get the caliper changed out later. Got new brake pads and all that. Feel like fooling with that caliper today. Bleeding brakes. That's all I would have to do. Cause it ain't nothing but a brake hose. Take it off. One bolt. But anyway, it's another story. So now I can put my adapter and my wheel on and have 4 matching wheels. So now I'm about to do that. Then I'm gonna go hit that other side right quick. And I don't know if I'm gonna drive today. If I don't, I'll drive it tomorrow. Cause I don't want to race against the sun and all that. I got to bolt the hood on. I'll probably drive it tomorrow. Cause I just thought about it. I got to bolt the hood on and stuff. That's a whole nother story. I don't know. We'll see. Just stay tuned to the video. Oh yeah, while I'm at it, change the other side. So y'all did, for people that don't know, I always hit your rotors with brake cleaner. Brake parts cleaner. Okay, y'all see that? It's the film stuff they put on the rotor to keep it from rusting. You just hit you with the brake part cleaner and y'all see it come off. Always. Every time you get rotors, some brake part cleaner. You just hit it and it'll come off of there. So I ain't know if everybody probably don't know everything, so I'll just sharing that with y'all. But I'm about to get the other side changed, then I might go ahead and take a drive. So stay tuned.
Alright, it's recording.
Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how to pack a bearing. Y'all wait, when you get your bearing, make sure they fit though. These rotors come with a race in them already. And this is a race. This is what the bearing rides in, but they come already in the rotor. But this the right one, this the inner bearing. You'll know cause it's the big one. And when you don't have a grease packer, you gonna pack your grease, it need to go up in there and coat the rollers real good. And this your seal, this your bearing seal. See, it got a raised part, self-explanatory. It won't go nowhere but that way. What I do, I take the race and sit on there and hit it with a rubber mallet until it flush. So that's how you put the seal in. Not like that. You see, it won't even go. So you really can't mess that up. You can't mess the bearings up either, cause the bearings won't go but one way. They won't even drop in like that. You see. So what you do, you get your grease. Get a glob of grease. Put it in your hand like that. Not up here, put it down there. Cause you need to use that to and you get it in there at the bottom and you kind of wipe like this, smash and wipe. And you want to wipe till you see it start to come up through there, through the top. And you just work your way around. You just want to make sure you get it up there and see it starting to come up through there. But you want to make sure you coat all the bearings the rollers real good. So that's how you pack a bearing. I just want to show y'all that. I'm gonna get this done. Then the outer bearing, I always put the rotor on first, and then I slide the outer bearing on there. It's a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll check in with y'all. Alright, so I'm checking in. Y'all see the car turning around. I got the rotors on both sides. You can see. I gotta fit that, man. I don't like how they tie. I'm gonna have to get them right side rims and just have some extras, cause I don't like how they look. But anyway, see the Denali right here. So decided to drive it up the street. I ain't record though, cause I wasn't going far. It wasn't gonna be no real deal drive. Car cut off. I didn't make it a mile. I didn't make it 1 mile. It cut off. It sounds like it ain't firing or either. I know it ain't out of gas, man. I hope it ain't out of gas. I'm finna pull the I'm about to take the hood out right quick. Check the plugs. Check one of the plugs, see how it look. And then I'm gonna make sure gas in the filter. Cause I'm like, ain't no way that thing ran out of gas that fast. It had 5 gallons of gas, but could surprise me. I don't know. We about to and I know it ain't fire the plugs out that fast. But I'm about to check that out. Then I should be able to get that done before it get dark. And then I'm gonna check back in and close the video out. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna need some carb adjustment. You see it's still black. It's #1 plug. Still black, but it ain't soaked with gas. It ain't soaked with gas no more. But I think it's a combination of both too. Look at that. That thing there about ran dry. I think that's the bulk of my problem right there. Probably do need some gas in. I'm about to pull #3 plug too and see what it looking like. Tried to catch it right quick for y'all. Just crunk it up. We just fired up. don't know. See, I think that thing low in gas. It just fired up. Cut right off. I still gotta check them plugs though. I got to check them plugs. It needs some carb adjustment. It definitely needs some carburetor adjustment. So I don't know. Might take it down to the shop. Down there to let it melt with the carburetor and stuff. Like I said, Rick know all this stuff, but he don't really fool with carburetors like that. So it needs some fine tuning with the carb or whatever. Cause I can read the plug. The plug's still not burning like I want them to burn. But like I said, it just fired up before I could grab the camera. It cut right off. So I mean, I know it's still firing, but it probably just needs some gas. Cause that filter, the fuel filter, pretty empty. It's pretty empty. So I'm pretty sure it's low on gas. Probably ain't got hardly nothing in it. That what y'all seeing probably just what's in the line. And then I'm just feeding it to the carburetor. But I'm gonna put some more gas in it tomorrow, like I said, and try it out then. Cause the sun going down now, so ain't no need of me fooling with it. But like I said, I put some gas in tomorrow, try it out. We got the rotors on though. Then like I said, Rick come back Monday. He gonna put the calipers on. I just didn't want to fool with it cause I know I would have been racing the sun. I wanted to drive that thing. But like I said, I ain't even make it a mile, man. I ain't make a mile. Probably half a mile. It cut off. But I'm gonna put some gas in tomorrow, see how it do. Check the plugs. I'm gonna make sure it stay running before I try to take it that far though. And go get the carb fine tuned. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens, cause like I said, I got a 1/2-inch fuel line on this thing. Even though I downgraded the fuel pump big time, it probably still need adjusting. I need to check it. I need to put a fuel gauge on it. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Catch y'all next. I'm out.